Hey guys, welcome to our place here in the Philippines. It's time for a house tour. So we're gonna show you guys around, starting with the outside area. So this is the front little garden area, and it has a little kind of seating area out here. So cute. Let's see. My favorite area though is the workout section. Have the TRX bands hanging right here. A wife over here. The 6 sports car, also known as Honda Fit. And then pull up, bar dip section. Can do the knee ups. And then these adjustable dumbbells are absolutely awesome. A little bench area, tons of potted plants. And then back here is the laundry area with the washing machine and such. Now let's go into the living room and check it out. So this place is only 1,000 bucks per month, and it's right on the beach. So for the Philippines, 1,000 a month is pretty expensive, but it is right on the beach. It's in a private subdivision and it's a new home. So of course it's gonna, cost a little bit more just for those reasons. But this is the living room area. Of course, got the skimboard. And then right here is my office. So living room to the office, have a bathroom and a shower right here. Just really small, basic shower, toilet. And then in my office, got a pretty sweet chair. This thing has like 20 different adjustable settings, which is ridiculous. And just really basic setup here. Only planning to stay here for a year, so I'm not gonna have a crazy setup. Kitchen area, so 2 chairs, little eating area, and just a basic kitchen. So this house is a 4-bedroom and 3 bath, but the rooms are pretty small, so the square footage isn't that large. I'm not sure what the exact square footage is, but just basic stuff that you'd see in any kitchen. Nice little dining area with some doors that open up right there to go to the garden area. Here, I'll open it up. Here, babe, grab the camera. I'm gonna open up the garden area from the kitchen. Oh, this is so dirty because of all the these potted plants. Yeah, so this just kind of opens up and goes to the garden area with this little fountain. Oh, here's a cat. There's lots of cats around our house, so we kind of feed them every now and again, and of course they keep coming back. But sometimes they fight, and it's kind of scary. Like they really go at each other. A lot of the cats here are really injured because they all fight each other. It's kind of sad. But there we also had 3 tiny little baby kittens that were just right outside this door here, and they were so cute, but it's kind of sad because they're just kind of like abandoned, and they were just outside here under this door that's resting here. 3 little kittens just kind of crawled under there. We fed them some salmon, so they got to live luxuriously for just a little bit. All right.
Even for me, it's expensive salmon.
Yeah, that's some good stuff, especially for a little Filipino kitten. Yeah. It's hard to find salmon here in the Philippines. I'm a huge fan of salmon, but it's hard to find here. So I had to go like 3 hours away from here to actually find salmon at one of the malls. All right, so going upstairs, here's the other 3 bedrooms. This one is my wife's office, and not to mention every single room does have air conditioning just because it's so hot here. It's like 80-90 degrees every single day. But she has this, and the view from her room is actually the ocean right here. So you can see the ocean from her room. And yeah, basic little setup in here. This is a room, just another bedroom we don't even use. And another toilet with a shower. And then this is the master bedroom with the walk-in closet area over here. And a very strange looking chandelier that has like 6 different light settings, which I was not expecting to get. This is the view from outside, just the neighbor's house. And then the deck here. So the deck is really tiny, has a little table and chairs, but you can see the ocean, the beach, right here, just at the end of the road. So it's kind of what the street looks like. A lot of these similar looking houses to ours. The single story ones are on this side of the road, and then the doubles are on this side of the road where we are. Yeah, so really basic. That's pretty much it. Just the bathroom and the shower for the master bedroom. And yeah, we like it here so far. It's pretty hard to find things nearby. Like there's only one ATM within 45 minutes of here. So you do have to go pretty far to find just basic things like a dentist's office. Like we have to go all the way a couple hours away to find a dentist's office. And oddly though, there's a ton of haircut places all around here within just a couple minutes. But other than that, you don't have any like significant stores like shopping centers or malls. There's no real significant stores. It's all like fish markets and just small street stands and stuff like that. So yeah, we like it here, and we'll be here for probably a year. Only $1,000 a month, so you know, by the standards here, it's super expensive. But by my standards, coming from Seattle, Washington, you know, $1,000 is the cheapest tiny studio apartment that you can possibly get. So really good deal in my eyes for what you know, the value you get here for the money. Really awesome. But anyway, that's the tour of our little place here, and have a nice day. Thanks for watching.